Hello guys, today we have this Nissan Altima SL. We have here this car for polish. We have already started polish. We have cleaned this light. We have used the 1500 grit paper by 3M along with 2000 grit paper. Earlier it was a blurry, now it is clear. As you can see, it's clear. But it is not as clear as new. So here you can see it's a little bit blurry, so we will be using polish over here to make it a clear surface. And moving on, we will be using H9 by Koshkimi. We will be using this product H9 by Koshkimi to polish this car whole body. The body is smooth, so we are not going to use clay bar. The body does not have any rough surfaces, so we are directly using with H9 and followed by P3. We are not going to use M3, and because it is a white car, and for if we use P3 it will give a matte a shiny gloss finish. So earlier we have also used tapes. As you can see over here, I have applied 2 tapes over here. Here is the paint is little bit worn out, and we can see the metal inside of this paint. So when we use H9, the paint will tear off little by little and it may cause disturbance. So we have used tape for now, and after using H9 we will remove the tape and we will use P3. Let me show you. As you can see here, over here the paint is worn out, maybe one small stone or maybe due to heat or maybe corrosion, the paint is wear off and you can see the metal inside. So we have used tape over here and we will be using H9. So right now we are using tape to cover up all the edges of the glass, as well as this side. We have covered up the lights and the logo backside, the chrome of this car using the tape. We use white tape along with blue tape. This is the blue tape. This is the blue tape. It is a little bit bigger. Width is little bit bigger, whereas the white tape is little bit smaller in size. But overall, these two tapes work fantastic on the car. So we'll be using tape over here, and I will be starting polish using H9, and our guy over business Shwas over here, he will be using tape. So we'll be using tape using the he will be equipping the tapes on the car, and I will be using the H9 along with a rotary machine along with an wolf pad. So stay tuned and let's see how the car looks like after finishing the polish. Thank you very much. So we have finished this car, and this is how the car looks, and we have the customer also inside.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like it, and see you in the next video. Please do subscribe to our channel.